Hello guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Cube channel. All right, in today's video, I'm going to be going over a way you can actually profit, take out daily profits from your Bitcoin balance, from the amount that you have invested in Bitcoin. And we'll be doing this through Cash App, because you can invest in Bitcoin in Cash App. You can also invest in stocks. So let's look at that button on the far right hand side there. Let's tap that. Let's open up. And as you can see here, I have $171.71 invested in Bitcoin, right? So what we're going to be doing is looking at, okay, first of all, you can buy fractional shares of Bitcoin. So you don't have to buy one whole Bitcoin, which is worth right now 36,000. You don't, most people don't have that laying around to purchase. So I invested a much smaller amount than that, as you can see there. And today I'm looking at the daily chart. Bitcoin is down 2.8%, 2.89. Right, so I haven't cashed out today. It was up earlier, but I didn't cash anything out today. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go over a scenario with you where, let's just say you have $1,000 invested in Bitcoin here, and the market fluctuates a lot every day. It's very volatile, meaning it goes up and it goes down. And so let's say you have $1,000 in there and it goes up 4%, within 30, 40 minutes, you see it shoots up. It's at 4% for the day. So that means your account would be sitting at $1,040. All right. So what you would do is take, and to cash out your profits for that 4%, you hit that middle blue button at the bottom, the sell button, and then you're going to choose the amount you want to sell. All right. So if you don't see it on the page there, on those options, you hit the three dots. You're going to enter $40 there, hit next, and then it will ask you to confirm the amount. I'm not going to go through that and do it completely because I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin right now. This is just for education. So let's back out of this. So yeah, it would be that simple. You would transfer $40 onto your Cash App balance, and then from there you can reinvest that in a stock, or you can transfer it to your bank account. Like it's that simple. I mean, the interface of Cash App is so easy. A third grader could understand it. It's really that. It's really too simple to understand. I mean, that's one thing I love about it. Now let me say this. I meant to mention this earlier. I am not a financial advisor or expert. This video is for informational purposes only. These are my opinions. All right. So do your research before you invest in anything, any stocks, any cryptos, anything like that. Okay. So in a nutshell, that's how you would cash out your profits on a daily basis. And you wouldn't be cashing every day, because some days the market would go down, but Bitcoin has been on the rise for a pretty good while now. So I'm pretty confident that it will continue to go up, even though it has seen a downturn here the past, I'd say 6 weeks roughly. It's consistently kind of gone down and then back up and down, but there were still a lot of days in there where you could have taken some profits if you had an investment. If you had money invested in Bitcoin. I'm telling you, a lot of people have made a lot of money off Bitcoin. I mean, if I knew 10 years ago what I know now, whew, man. But it's still, in my opinion, it is not too late by any stretch of the imagination to start investing in cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu. I mean, some of your tokens that are doing really well right now. But again, the crypto market is more volatile, a little bit more volatile than stocks. But I kind of noticed that it follows suit. Like when the stock market kind of goes down, when it's across the board, when it's on a downturn, the crypto market kind of matches and kind of does the same thing. So they're, in some ways, it's like they're kind of connected. Well, they both exist in the same world, so that makes a lot of sense. All right, so and just for a moment here, I'm going to switch over to the stock portion of Cash App. Yes, you can purchase stocks. As you can see, I have a small amount in Smile Direct there. And if you go down here, you will see the different options you have for investing. Okay, so let's look at business services here. Go in there. Look at all these companies you can invest in. I mean, look at this. You have Equifax, S&P Global, Berkshire Hathaway. Take a look at that. Which Berkshire's up 0.38% as of today. If you're not into business services, let's look at something a little bit more recognizable for most people. Food and drink, Costco, Coca-Cola, Walmart, Target, Starbucks. Look at this. Very recognizable companies. Mickey D's, Dollar General. Look at that. Dollar General's down today. See, over the past week, it was down 7%. Over the past month, it was down 9%. So it's been down a little bit. Let's look at the yearly total. Dollar General is up over the past year 2.5%. So, I mean, it's amazing. And there's a whole lot more stocks available to invest in Cash App than cryptos. I mean, it was never this easy. Years ago, you had to hire a stock broker if you wanted to invest in any publicly owned stock. You had to hire, and the fees were way more expensive. I mean, you have fees with Cash App, but it's like a few cents on the dollar. So it's you really don't feel the crunch from the fees that Cash App charges. So, all right, that's it for today. I just kind of wanted to go over that again, how you can profit from your Bitcoin investment. I will have more videos and updates on this. Also, I'll have more videos on my stock investments as well. All right, you people have a good day. We'll talk soon.